day, my wonderful viewers. So welcome once again to Frequency Online. So let's quickly solve this question, still under probability. So we have a card is drawn as random from ordinary deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that it is I and I, a jack of hearts, I, a three of clubs, or a six of diamond, IV, a heart, V, any suit except hearts, VI, neither a four nor a club. So how to solve this thing? First of all, you know that we have under 52 playing cards, we have heart. The sample space is A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen, and what? King. So we also have spade, which is the same sample space. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So we also have what? Club, which is same. This is queen and this is king. We also have what? Diamond, which is also still something. So in order to obtain an ice, which is I, probability of obtaining an ice will be what? How many eyes are here? 4. So it will be 4 over 51. So that's the probability of what? Obtaining an ice, which is 4 here 1, 4 here 13, which is 1 over 13. So I, probability of obtaining a jack of what? Hearts. So a jack of what? Hearts. So probability of obtaining a jack, which is this of hearts, will be what? How many jack are here? 1. So we have 1 all over of hearts, which is what? 1 all over 52. So probability of obtaining a jack of hearts is what? 1 all over 52. So I hope you can see it. So probability of obtaining a 3 of club or a 6 of diamond. So probability of obtaining a 3 of club or means what? Union, or 6 of diamond will be what? Probability of what? Obtaining what? A 3 of club plus probability of what? Obtaining a 6 of diamond, then minus probability of what? 3 of club intercept 6 of what? Diamond. So remember that formula, mutually exclusive. So this one is what? Not mutually exclusive, but the reason I put this minus here is for us to know whether they are mutually exclusive or not. Because the only difference is that this is equal to this. The only difference is that in mutually exclusive we don't have this minus the intersection, but in not mutually exclusive you have it. So if this thing is equal to 0, that means they are mutually exclusive. So probability of obtaining a 3 of club. Let's go to club. Obtaining a 3 of club is what? 1 all over 52. Plus obtaining a 6 of diamond. Obtaining a 6 is still 1 all over 52. Then minus obtaining a 3 intercept 6. That's 3 intercept 6. Obtaining a 3 of club, and then 6 of what? Diamond. I hope you can see it from there. So obtaining a 3 from club and 6 from diamond, they are not the same thing. They are different what events. And mind you that spade and club are black, heart and diamond are what red. So this is minus for it to zero. So this is trying to tell you that they are mutually what exclusive. So we are going to have what 52 1 plus 1, which is 2 over 52, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 26. So we have 1 over 26. So our IV, obtaining a heart, probability of obtaining a heart. So where is our heart? Here. So it will be 13 all over 52. 13 here, 1, 13 here, 4. So we have 1 over 4. So V, probability of obtaining any suit except heart. So remember, if it is except heart, so any suit except heart. Except heart is what? Heart complement, you understand? So it is what? 1 minus probability of obtaining what? Heart. So for you to get complement, it will, let me write it so that you see. Probability of not obtaining heart plus probability of obtaining heart will give us what? 1. Therefore, probability of not obtaining heart is equal to 1 minus probability of what? Obtaining what? Heart. So we are going to be having what? Probability of not obtaining heart is equals to 1 minus. Probability of obtaining heart is what? Of obtaining heart is what? 13 over 52. So we are going to have what? 52 minus 13. I hope you can see it from there. Which is what? 39 over 52. 13 here, 3, 13 here, 4. So we have what? 3 over 4. So solving the 51, let me clean the board. So VR is find the probability that neither a 4 nor a club. So neither a 4 nor a club is noted as what? Probability of what? 4 prime, then intercept what? Club prime, which is equals to what? 1 minus probability of what? 4 union what? Club. That's the formula. Remember, if you have probability of what? A complement intercept B complement. This and this are still the same thing. It's equals to 1 minus probability of what? A union B. That's where I drew the formula from. So we are going to have what? Probability of 4 complement intercept B complement is what? 1 minus. Then remember probability of what? A. Remember probability of A union B is equals to. So we are going to take probability of your dependent event. So probability of 4 plus probability of what? C. Then this is the formula of minus. I'm expanding this. This is the formula. Minus probability of what? 4 union. Sorry, 4 intercept what? C. So that's the formula. This minus intercepts. This is what? The formula for mutually exclusive what? Event. You understand? So the reason I put, okay, this is the formula for not mutually exclusive events. Why? Because I put minus P for intercept C. But if eventually that this thing turns to be 0, that means this formula now, probability of P plus probability of what? C is what? Exclusive what? Event. To be the formula. Just removing this. This is the formula for exclusive event. Is equals to 1 minus probability of 4 occurring is what again? Okay, only 4 occurring should supposed to be 4 over 52 because there are this thing there for this thing. So plus probability of what is this thing? Club. or a club. Club is how many there? 13, right? 13 over 52. Then minus probability of 4 intercepts club is what? The club have 4, yes. It have 1 4, so 1 over 52. So the intersection. So this event is what? Not mutually exclusive, because the intersection is not equal to 0. So 1 minus 52, 4 plus 13 minus 1. So I'm going to have 1 minus 4 minus, so I'm going to have 16 over 52. So the probability of 4 complement is 1 minus 16 over 52. So the LCM is what? 52. So that 52 minus 16, 6 all over 52. So we have 36 all over 52. So I think to 13 over 9, right? So this can be your answer. This can also be your answer. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.